Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308. So this car comes with a panoramic glass roof and 17-inch alloy wheels. Inside you've got the touchscreen that gives you DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also the connected 3D navigation. Other features include front and rear parking sensors, dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.